Personal lines exam prep exam questions. A property purchased 10 years ago for $100,000 has a replacement value today of $200,000. It is depreciated 3% each year. What is today's actual cash value? $140,000. Underscore 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 is a situation that occurs when two policies covering the same property contain different coverages. Non-concurrency. The underscore 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 states the procedure to be followed if the insured and insurer disagree on the amount of loss. Appraisal clause. A farmhouse does not fit the eligibility requirements of the dwelling program. True. Coverage C of the special dwelling form, an insured's underscore 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 is not covered under the policy. Pet. A underscore 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 must be caused by an insured peril that set the loss in motion. Direct loss. Non-concurrency means not the same. Additional living expense is an indirect loss, not a direct loss. True. Earth movement is excluded from all underscore 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 underscore. Homeowners policies. The perils that are not covered are in the underscore 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 of a property policy. Exclusions. The legal representative of the insured is also an insured under a property policy. True. After payment for loss, the underscore 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 has the right to the salvage. Insurer. The insuring clause personalizes the policy as to who and what are insured. False dash, the declarations personalize the policy. The loss under a property policy states that the insured cannot abandon property to the insurer. True. There is no coverage for the dwelling under an HO 4, only underscore 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 coverage. Contents. The insured is required to personally make repairs to their property. False dash, the insured may choose who will make the repairs. A limit of $underscore underscore 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 applies to a boat, a trailer, motor and equipment under Section 1 of a homeowner's policy. $1,500. Under a special dwelling policy, if an insured dies, coverage continues for the insured's legal representatives. True. The basic form covers the perils of underscore 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 and underscore 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 underscore. Fire, lightning, and internal explosion. The insurer has the right to take possession of damaged property after payment of loss. True. In property and casualty insurance, When a form is attached to further define certain policy provisions or conditions, it is known as an endorsement. Underscore 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 is a legal process against a third party, not the insured. Subrogation. The underscore 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 covers the dwelling for open perils, and the contents for the broad form perils. Special form. Underscore 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 policies provide coverage for only the perils listed in the policy. Named peril. The homeowner's policy specifically excludes property of roomers and boarders. True. Under a HO3 policy, when property is removed because it is endangered by a covered peril, the coverage is open peril for underscore 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 days. 30. A homeowner's policy excludes coverage for other structures that are used in whole or in part for underscore 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 business. The owner of clothing to be cleaned would be a underscore 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 underscore. The dry cleaner cleaning the clothes is the underscore 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 underscore. Bailor, Bailey. Coverage C may be extended to cover property of guests and servants. True. The scheduled personal property endorsement has no deductible. True. Actual cash value is defined as replacement cost minus depreciation. When property is covered on a underscore 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 underscore, there is no deduction for depreciation. Replacement cost basis. Trees, shrubs, and plants are covered for up to $underscore underscore 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 for any one item or underscore 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 percent of coverage A. $500 and 5%. Underscore 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 cover risks of direct physical loss and the perils that are not named. Open peril policies. Underscore 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 are used to broaden, as well as restrict coverage. Endorsements. Fine arts are typically insured on an underscore 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 underscore, whereby an insured and insured agree, at time of insuring, on an amount of insurance to be paid at the event of a loss. Agreed value basis. There is no underscore 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 coverage in a dwelling policy. Flood. The insuring agreement contains the insurer's promises to the insured. The insured's name is found in the underscore 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 underscore. Declarations. The underscore 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 covered in a property policy are always in the insuring agreement. Perils.